Grinding mustard cake fertilizer at home can be done using a few simple steps. 1. Collect mustard cake. Obtain mustard cake, which is the residue left after extracting mustard oil from mustard seeds. 2. Dry the mustard cake. Allow the mustard cake to dry thoroughly. This can be done by spreading it out in a well-ventilated area or using a dehydrator. 3. Break into smaller pieces. Break the dried mustard cake into smaller, manageable pieces using your hands or a suitable tool. 4. Use a grinder. Use a food grinder or a blender to further grind the dried mustard cake into a fine powder. Ensure the equipment is clean and dry before use. 5. Store properly. Once ground, store the mustard cake fertilizer in an airtight container in a cool, dry place or zip-tie bags. Always wear appropriate protection, such as gloves and a mask, when handling and grinding organic materials. Additionally, consider consulting local agricultural experts for specific guidelines on using homemade fertilizers. How to use mustard cake fertilizer in plant. Using mustard cake fertilizer powder for plants can be beneficial as it provides nutrients like nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium. Here's a simple guide. 1. Choose the right type. Ensure you have mustard cake fertilizer powder specifically meant for plants. 2. Dilution. Mix the powder with water to create a diluted solution. The ratio depends on the specific product, so follow the instructions on the packaging. 3. Soil application. Apply the diluted solution to the soil around the base of the plants. Avoid direct contact with plant stems to prevent potential burning. 4. Frequency. Use the fertilizer at recommended intervals, usually every few weeks or as specified on the product label. 5. Watering. After application, water the plants lightly to help the nutrients penetrate the soil. 6. Adjustment. Monitor plant response and adjust the frequency or concentration if needed. Too much fertilizer can harm plants. Always follow the guidelines provided by the product manufacturer for the best results and to avoid any adverse effects on your plants. 1 tablespoon mustard cake fertilizer is enough for 12 inches height plant. 3 times in month can be used this fertilizer, especially in roses and lemon plants because they are heavy fertilizer feeder plants.